Your words creates your reality. You might have heard this sentence, right? Now this has been my biggest sentence of the life. Like, I always try to be a little aware about the words that I use, the choice of words whenever I used to define something or something out of me, or even for myself. I have started to become little aware because I have realized that we are the artist of our own life. We are the author of our own life. So that is the reason you have to know how you are going to write your story, how you are going to use the words in a way that will create the reality that you desire. I know sometimes when we are going through a lot in life, like things aren't going as we planned, we feel stuck, we feel clueless, we don't know where exactly our life is going. At that time, we feel like all the bad things just happens with us. Our life just doesn't go front, it is just stagnant. And at that time, we fail to realize that more than the circumstances or more than the environment, it is actually our own words that allow us to stay in that stagnant energy. For example, I remember just 3 to 4 years while I was going through this, I would say something like, I feel stuck, I feel like not working at all. So those were the words that I used to use. And you won't believe, those words started to define my entire life. Those words started to be the reality for me. And at that time, I also went into a zone where I was not able to come out of it because those words had already became my reality. But slowly, when I started to realize that the frequencies, the energies, how the affirmations work, then I realized that it's high time that I should be vigilant about the words that I use. It's high time that I should be aware. I should be wise enough to use the right kind of words. And I think once I got to know about the frequencies or the way my own words started to affect me, I started to be aware. Like, we can't directly change the things that we say to ourselves, but at least we can create that awareness. So that's what I started to do. I started to look at my own words, the sentences that I used whenever I used to talk with my friends, with my colleagues, with my parents at home, with my family, or even while chatting. Even these days, we use Chat GPT, right? If you look into that, you will realize that how we are using the words there. If you're a person like me who talks with Chat GPT like some kind of a friend, like in the first person narrative, you just type in like, I'm facing these kind of issues and I need a solution like that, then you should be looking into the words that you're using. You should be vigilant, you should be aware what you're using, because this is how you start to create your reality. So all I'm trying to say here is, try to be vigilant about the words that you use. Try to be aware. Try to look at the way you're using the words in the sentences that you use to define yourself or your life. Now, after I got the awareness of that, changed the entire narrative by changing my own sentences. But recently, I think I went back again to the same kind of sentences that I used to use 3 to 4 years back. And I haven't realized it until yesterday, when my sister in law and I was traveling together, and she suddenly started to identify the words that I was using. She told that, what kind of words you are using? You are continuously using some negative words to define yourself, because nowadays I'm building a business, right? So I'm totally into it, and if something doesn't work, I say that, oh, this is not working. And when she started to identify that into me, I realized that, oh my goodness, I'm again going back to the same person that I was meant to be. But I was lucky enough for my sister-in-law to identify that in me and not get stuck into that cycle again. So similarly, if you're watching this video, take this video as a sign. Maybe I'm your sister or some friend who is just trying to make you realize that maybe you're using those kind of words which is creating your current reality. So communication is not always about the conversations that you have outside world. It's also about the conversation that you have with yourself. So If you're watching this video, take this as a sign. Start to create that awareness in you. Start to look at the words that you're using to define yourself and the life. So this was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to drop in this comment section how you felt about this video. I would be happy to go through your comments. And also, if you're someone who wants to work through your communication and want to get better with your communication, then I'm providing 30 minutes communication audit, and the link will be in the description. So please fill the form and I'll connect with you. Thank you so much.